All right, guys, we are about packed up. We are about to head on a 4-day trip out to Rocky Fork here in Ohio. We're going camping, fishing. There's a kayak tournament going on Saturday, so let's get loaded up and see you out there. Oh, there's a lot of dirt in this kayak. This is our first time actually loading the kayaks on the vehicle, so it's a little bit of a process and I'm a little nervous about it. Shake your kayak, is it unmovable?
No.
Got to give it the... I ain't going nowhere.
Ready?
What's this?
Hey ladies. I have kayaks. Hey ladies. I have a YouTube channel. That's Fishin.
Wow. All right, well, on the road, and those kayaks were actually a lot easier to load and strap down than I imagined they were. So that's awesome. It'll be good for like nice kayaking road trips this year, because I plan to go all over Ohio and hit some rivers, so that'll be awesome. Also, maybe even go down to Tennessee and hit that Coosa River. Anyway, on our way to the park. I'm pumped. Let's go, guys. Guys, camp is set up. Let me show you around our little base camp here we've got going for the weekend. Come on. Our idea was we have the dining fly and the tent. We were going to try to stretch this in between and make like a tunnel, but not happening. And like I said, we were trying to get here before the rain started. It just literally now started right as we got finished, so we got here in perfect time. Come on in, I'll show you guys our little dining area. So listen, we don't want for anything when we camp. So we've got a refrigerator, we've got an air fryer, a little one pot, one stove, all our dishes, full setup. Oh, we've got the nice picnic table, we got our cooler there, little chillaxing chairs for me and Jen. Let's go into the tent, show you guys that. Now, make sure you take your shoes off. Don't want to get the tent muddy.
Is this where the magic happens?
This is where the magic happens. This is where we rest up for big tournaments. So we've got our sleeping area here. We've even got a heated blanket over there in the corner in case we get freezing cold. If we get hot, got us a fan. Also have us a little heater down here. And a shelf for, you know, towels, games, all kinds of stuff. It's a pretty big tent. I think it's like a 14x8 tent. So we are set up. Now that it's raining, we have nothing to do. We're probably gonna get a bite to eat and maybe go explore the park and the lake, see if we can get on some juice. All right, Jen, we're on the lake. You ready to catch some fish?
Yay!
She's ready, I'm ready. Let's see if we can find something. A little pre-fishing. Well, that was very short-lived. Very short-lived. Turns out I did not repair that hole in my kayak very well. And started sinking. So, now what to do? Well, just a little update for you guys. Last night, the National Weather Service said we had gusts of up to 60 to 65 miles per hour. So camp looks a little different. We lost the dining fly. It ended up way at that cabin way back there. Luckily, it wasn't like ripped or damaged. It just took a tumble, and the canopy also took off almost into the neighbor's campsite. So it was a rough night. Our tent collapsed on us, but it didn't break or damage, other than we're gonna have to replace one of the tent poles here. It looks like the tent pole snapped. I think this thing held it in place. So wow, last night was eventful. As you can probably hear, the wind is absolutely still ripping. It's I think it's like still 20 to 25 miles per hour. So with that being said, we got nothing else to do but put the waders on and go play in the creek. So that's what we're gonna do. All right.
Look at me, I'm waders.
So we're finally on the water. Jen is pumped because this is the first time she's actually got to wear her 8 fans wader boots and her 8 fan waders. How do you feel be officially in the wader club?
I mean, right now they feel nice. We'll see. They're better than trash bags, I can tell you that.
If you guys haven't seen the trash bag waders video, I'll put a thumbnail and link that below. Holy smokes. That's incredible. Well, we're about to hit the water, and this is the place that I caught this fish at. Yeah. So I know that this little waterway has got some creek beasts sitting in it, and most of the creek is 2 feet or less. So it's a nice little creek we can wade through and see if we can find some monsters. Let's go.
Stay dry.
Ooh, look at this. This is up a little bit from last time we came, but I think that's actually better. Because I remember last time we were walking in like 8 inches of water to a foot. Now we'll probably be like 1.5 feet. But I feel like we're gonna get in a bite.
I feel like I'm scared.
Last time we were here, Jen was like, I don't know if we're gonna catch anything. Literally, I think it was second cast, she was cranking in smallies. So let's not jinx ourselves. Let's see if we can make that happen again. What do you think it was? Big old deer?
Yeah.
Here we go. Yeah, I think so. Smalley. Yeah. Nice one. See you, buddy. There we go. First blood on the CAST CRAY nub. Fire crawl. So you don't need to do a lot of reeling, babe. Give it a tap tap and then let the current kind of let it drift. You know what I'm saying? Like if you give it a tap, well, plus we're in faster current. So if you just throw it out there, give it a tap tap, raise it off the bottom, and see how it's just drifting in the current. Give it another tap. It may hit the bottom, and then give it another tap and just work it along. Let the current do a lot of the work instead of you just straight reeling in.
Oh, come on. Oh, come on.
Oh my God, is that really a fish? What is that? Jen, first of all, is that a bass? I don't know what Jen caught, but it literally is the smallest fish I've ever seen. It's almost as small as the slap crab grub that she has on. What is this? Oh, is it like a creek chub?
Yeah. Hey, first fish 2021.
You could use that for bait, throw it back out. Oh my goodness, look at him.
Nugget.
He's bait. I can't believe he attacked the grub.
Oh well. It's not white grub fire, it's green grub fire!
Matches your waders. All right, no skunk for Jen, I guess.
Hey, it counts, dang it.
The spot was okay. It wasn't as juicy as last. Well, you know what? It wasn't as juicy as last time. I just, I don't know. I guess I had nostalgia for the spot because I caught that really mega smallmouth. Did catch? Yeah, it was a really fun spot. It's a really beautiful spot. I mean, this has got to be juicy at the right time.
Yeah, that's cool.
Got the one smallie. Jen got her first fish of 2021.
Little pip.
Little minnow. We're gonna go back, recharge, eat some dinner, and I don't know, maybe explore a little more, maybe just chillax. Tournaments tomorrow. I'm pumped. I'm excited. New kayaks on the water.
Oh, it's gonna be 70 degrees.
Yeah.
Sunshine. Yeah.
We'll see how it goes. All right, y'all. It is bright and early. It is 6:33, 6:34. We got about half an hour until we're allowed to put lines in. We're allowed to be on the water at 6, so I went past one of the ramps because it was just super congested. Anyway, we were on the water. I am hyped up. We got the new kayak. We got the new Vibe Yellowfin 120. I'm hyped. This is actually the first 30 seconds I've sat in the water. So I'm pumped. Ready to catch some fish. There are 71 registered kayak anglers as of 8 o'clock last night. And I was told, I guess, through the tournament director and everyone else, word of mouth, that there are 3 other boat tournaments today. So, man, if you catch fish and win the tournament today, you are a freaking angler. Anyway, I'll see you guys at 7 o'clock at first line's in. All right, y'all. 7 a.m. Line's in. All right, it's 7:45 and all my buddies in the tournament have caught a fish, except for me. Come on, what is going on? I must have picked the wrong spot. I need to get on it.
So were you camping that night of the winds?
Yeah. Oh my gosh, dude. Our we had like a little soccer awning.
Yeah.
That went over our, like, in between our tent and our dining fly. Awning, sayonara. Dining fly, sayonara. Like, we found it like 500 yards away.
Yeah, I was like, maybe you just got a cabin
The tent,
overnight or something.
the tent collapsed. One of the poles, snapped. Jen was freaking out, so we ended up going into the car and bringing our blankets and pillows into the car and just taking refuge.
Yeah, I was freaking out in my own house. I was like, my God, if he's camping out there, he's nuts.
Oh, it was wild. Jen was having some anxiety, and I was like, let's just go in the car.
I understand.
We'll be safe in the car. So everyone, here's Paul from Cincy Fish Dudes.
Morning.
Hey, he is on the board.
Yeah.
No skunks.
Huge 10.5-inch
Hey,
lunker.
it's something.
That's right. That's right.
We're gonna hook Paul up some CAST CRAY stuff. So I'll give you a suspending jerkbait.
Well, thank you. That's awesome.
And then I'll give you a handful of nubby nubs. I'll give you like one of every color here that I got in the box.
I got a Ned rig on right now. I could have just switched out. Those are great shapes.
Peanut butter jelly, green pumpkin, or Okeechobee crawl. Pick a color. Or black and blue.
That's green pumpkin.
CAST CRAY flipping jig.
All right. Look at this. We're out with Match Fishing Missions hooking me up with a CAST CRAY, all kinds of stuff. Suspended jerkbaits.
I know it's not the time for it yet, but
Oh, the
get you a
frog.
CAST CRAY frog
Look at that guy. Wow.
and Square Billy. So you got the whole
that's
lineup.
Awesome. I might throw that on pretty soon.
And you know what? Just for giggles, I'm going to give you a Matt's hand-tied, what I call the dragon tail.
Oh, we got some custom lures too.
That's a light one, so that's going to have to go on light line. Maybe not for today, but something fun to throw.
Hey, I'll put Matt's Fishing Mission YouTube channel in the link down below.
Well, guys, I'll have Paul's channel linked below. Hopefully we finish with some good numbers today. That'd be awesome.
That's right.
I just need to catch one fish. I'll be happy.
He will. He will.
Well, man, good luck.
Good luck to you.
Well, update. I suck today. I'm going to redeem myself by go creek fishing.